I want to travel to abroad, to America. I've tried so many things. Nothing is working. They're always rejecting my visa. They're always rejecting me. I don't know what to do. I'm so tired. Why?
Dissolve!
Bros!
Why you there disturb?
Who are you, Oga?
This is the latest African technology. It's called African Aircraft. Designed by 40 international African wishes for your safe travel. You don't need visa, you don't need ticket, all you need is this African technology. Spain, you don't go there. England, you don't go there. South America, you don't go there. Australia and Antarctica, you don't go there. All you need is this. And you can purchase this with a little fee of just 15K.
Are you sure that thing is working?
Boss, I go lie for you. This thing they work. Oh. I say it they work.
Why are you running?
Bros, it they work.
Why are you running?
I doubt the efficiency of these African things.
Where you say you want to go?
Go to London. London, yes.
London? Oh yeah, now let's go.
Learn a lesson.
Look at here I come.
What?
Technology.
He has disappeared though. Africa technology. Technology. Hey. Wait, what am I hearing? Where are you now, bros?
Somebody.
I can hear you, but I cannot see you now. Where you there now? Where is he? Where you there?
God have mercy upon us.
Bros! How do you take reach this tree now? No be London, you say you dey go? My brother, I said they go London. That's why I reach here. What's happen now? What happen? My brother? Plane crash. Hey!
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.